am saying farewell to my lovely and awesome CBR1000rr. It's been absolutely an awesome run with this bike, but I am delivering the bike to the new owner here. I'm gonna miss her.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
You know what, guys? Psych! I wish, too bad this isn't April 1st or April Fool's Day, man. Oh, man. I'll tell you guys, it was tough even acting like I was getting rid of this bike today. Hey, I mean to upset you guys, but you know what, man? I love this bike too much. I love this bike, baby. CBR1000rr. I can't get rid of this baby, man. You know what, guys? I had a cash buyer. He said he'd pay full cash, full price. Come out and get it, man. And then I read a lot of your comments, and a lot of you like CycleCruza, man. Don't get rid of this bike. You have an amazing bike, dude. Don't do it, man. And there was one particular viewer that really swayed me over to keeping this bike. He has a brand new 2018 Yamaha R1, and he still kept his 2013 CBR1000rr, which is the same bike as this, just 1 year newer. And he said it's the best super bike he's ever owned. He said, dude, don't get rid of it, man. You got to keep it, bro. It's a sick bike. He still loves it, even after owning the brand new 2018 R1. And I will tell you guys that this is, I would say this has got to be one of the best super bikes, man. Oh, baby. It's just so smooth. Woo! Oh, I just love this, man. Turns on the flick of a dime. Woo! I love this bike, baby. I love it. I just absolutely love this bike, man. I can't get rid of it. Oh, man, she's just so smooth. Turns so effortlessly. She doesn't heat up like my 600rr did and roast my legs. Oh, I love this bike. Absolutely amazing. Woo! Oh, I love this bike, man. I can't get rid of this bike. She still rides like brand new, man. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I can't do it. And of course I left my turn signal on. Look at her, man. She's just so sick. Oh my goodness. I can't get rid of it. I still love this bike. But you know what? We always want something new all the time. You always want something new, yo. And new is good. Change is good. But for motorcycles, you gotta collect them. You don't sell them, you collect them. And I don't need the money to get the new bike. And I'm gonna talk about the new bike that I want to add to the garage. And I found a way to add another bike to the garage. But come on, listen to this exhaust, baby. Come on. She still gets me excited, man. And she's pretty. Even in 2018, she's still pretty. Oh my goodness. And I can completely change the look anytime I want to. And I tell you, this bike, unlike the 600rr, you don't hear the fan when it comes on. You don't feel any heat at your legs or anything. It's just It's such a refined bike that's so awesome and so reliable. It sounds beautiful, rides beautiful, turns beautiful, no electronic rider aids. And I'm just like, dude, I can't get rid of this bike. She is just so amazing, man. Oh, look at that. So smooth, baby. Woo! Beautiful. Listen to her, listen to her. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I gotta be careful out here. There's wet leaves. I can't help myself though. This road was repaved and it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, this bike is so amazing, man. Woo! Oh, it's so awesome being back on the bike, man. Absolutely amazing. Can't get rid of it, man. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, I love it, baby. And I'm acting like a douchebag out here. Revving my bike like an idiot. But I love it. Yeah, baby. Listen to her. Hyperflow exhaust, baby. Woo! She got all the power I need, baby, and more power than I need out here. Oh, it's butter smooth. Absolutely a gorgeous, beautiful bike. Woo! I love you, baby. I want to go. You know what? I couldn't get rid of her, man. I can't. But anyways, the next bikes. Let's talk about the next bike. Excuse me, bike. Talk about that next bike, baby. Listen to, look at. Woo! This feels so good, baby. It feels so good. Sounds so good. But I made a change in my garage. I removed my garden tools on the side of the wall and I put it on the other side of the wall. And I was able to clear out some stuff so I could put my other bikes, I could put one bike close to the wall and then another one right next to each other. And I can add another bike there, baby. Yes. And you know what? I have to complete the collection. You know what I'm saying? I've done all the different genres of motorcycles except for the Street Fighter motorcycle. I started off, of course, with the CBR1000rr. Then I got the CBR1000rr, amazing bike, my first super sport, amazing experience. Then went up to the CBR1000rr, awesome experience. Still got this bike, still loving it. Then I got the WR250R dual sport that helped me learn how to ride off-road again and do urban foolery out here and just have a beautiful fun time out here on the street. And then of course I added the Ducati X Diavolo S cruiser, muscle cruiser, and then I sold that. I absolutely love that bike, by the way, absolutely amazing. Not ready for cruiser life yet though. And then of course I got the YZ450FX 2019 converted to Supermoto, street legal, absolutely an amazing, violent, fun machine. Damn, boy! And oh, it's so amazing. Can't wait to get it to the dirt track and proper trails, but Supermoto was awesome too. And the next bike is going to be either now I'm not saying 100% concrete, but these are the top two on my list right now that I have two deals on the table right now, baby. A 2018 KTM 1290 Super Duke R. I was gonna buy that bike in the past, by the way, but I read the details of the warranty and it said it didn't include electronics. And the sales guy's the one that actually brought it to my attention, by the way. I didn't even pay attention. Who would ever think that electronics is not included in the warranty? But anyways, So I refrained from getting that 2017. But a lot of you guys said, CycleCruza, man, those bikes are pretty reliable. You should try it before you knock it like you did the Ducati, which I didn't really have any trouble with the Ducati. And I got to experience it. I got a deal on the table out the door, $15,600 for 2018. And then also the second bike is a 2018 Aprilia Tuono factory 1100, the full factory with the Olin suspension, everything, for $16,800. So $1,200 more than the Super Duke. Now I'm having a very tough time choosing between those two bikes. Everybody says both of them are amazing. Some people will tell you that the Super Duke's better because of this, because it's more comfortable, has a little more torque, it's got that more fun factor, maybe a little bit more to it than the Tuono. Other people will tell you the Tuono's got more fun factor, it's got the beautiful V4 sound. The Super Duke sounds good, that twin sounds good too when you put that exhaust on. And the V4 though would be cool to experience a different engine, because I did experience a twin, you know, with the Ducati, which was absolutely amazing. I absolutely love that bike. But it's a tough choice. But do you think the Aprilia Tuono is worth the extra $1,200 over the Super Duke? The Super Duke really has more features. One negative that I don't really care for about the Aprilia is that it doesn't even have a fuel gauge on it, man. Which you think, you know, for street fighters that they usually put them on. You know, the KTM has it. And I've heard some reliability issues with the Tuono, and other people say it's great. So like I said, it's something that I would have to experience for myself, but I don't know if it's worth that extra $1,200. The KTM's got the keyless system on it. It's got the, I think you have to pay extra for the up and down quick shifter for extra, like $300 or $500 or something like that. They always add the extras you got to pay for. And also it's got a bunch of stuff like the Bluetooth feature to connect your phone, like my ex-Diablo had. But you got to pay extra for it to unlock the features and all that. I don't know if it has heated grips or not. I think it's got cruise control. I don't know. I think the Tuono has cruise control, maybe. I don't know. But I think the KTM may have heated grips, or you can add them or something. So there's a little bit more features on the KTM. It's got more torque. They're both about the same weight. About, I think, 479 for the Tuono and 480 for the Super Duke. So it's a really tough choice as far as the dealership. We only have like one Aprilia dealership, but it's close to me. It's only about 20 miles, about half hour away. KTM dealership, like I said, I'm not fond of the local one. But there's another one, the guy's really cool. But it's a good hour away from me, which is not that bad. But if I have some problems, I'm gonna be upset having to go to them. But let me get on some power here, baby. I'm on the CBR1000rr, double down, baby. Woo! I love it, baby. Gotta feel some power. But so what do you guys? I'm gonna put a poll on my channel page there. If you click on the channel tab, I want you to vote on which one I should get. I may not get either one. I may get something totally different and surprise you guys like I did with the Ducati. But anyways, guys, those are the two bikes. I want you to vote on it. And, woo! The power, baby. CBR1000rr. Ah! I love it, baby. Woo! Good time. But anyways, guys, the CBR stays. I'm not getting rid of this bike. It stays. It's going to stay for a long time. A long time. But anyways, guys, like I said, vote. But for those of you guys who want to get links to any of my gear, you know, my camo pants, my gloves, my boots, helmet, cameras, leather jackets, my winter jacket, all my stuff. I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos. Or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Gear, and those are a bunch of links to all of my stuff. And if you want to see more of my videos, click on the menu tab My Videos, and those are a bunch of playlists with my over 1,200 plus videos categorized in the various playlists to make it easier for you to navigate and hopefully find what you're looking for. But anyways, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel, and also go check out my other channel, Moto,
that showcases a van that I customized for cheap that allows me to live in my van with my motorcycle anywhere, and has a ton of cool mods. And that channel has everything from build videos, trip videos, anything and everything Bug Out Moto. As a courtesy, I included 2 video playlists, one for new riders, and those are all of the videos I've done over the years that I feel are helpful for new riders, and also my popular videos playlist. Hey, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. Take care.